Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to unlock a powerful tool that can elevate your trading game. The Forex Economic Calendar. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this is one tool you absolutely can't afford to ignore. So, what exactly is a Forex Economic Calendar? In simple terms, it's a schedule of economic events that could impact currency markets. Think of it as your personal roadmap, helping you navigate through the turbulent waters of Forex trading. You see, the Forex market is highly sensitive to economic news. Announcements like interest rate decisions, employment reports, and GDP data can cause significant price movements. By staying informed about these events, you can make more educated trading decisions and potentially avoid costly pitfalls. Now, let's dive into how you can access this invaluable tool. Most major trading platforms offer an economic calendar. If you're using MetaTrader, for example, you'll find it under the Tools menu. Other platforms like TradingView and Investing.com also have their versions. Here's a quick tip. Bookmark the economic calendar on your web browser. That way, you can easily check it daily without navigating through multiple tabs. When you open the economic calendar, you'll notice it's usually laid out in a tabular format. Columns typically include the date and time of the event, the currency affected, the event description, and the actual versus forecasted data. Pay close attention to the impact column, often marked with icons or colors to indicate the potential market impact. For example, a red icon or high impact label means that the upcoming event could significantly affect the currency pair involved. If you're trading euro to US dollar, you'll want to pay special attention to any high-impact events related to the euro or the US dollar. Another powerful feature is the filter option. Use it to customize the calendar based on your specific trading interests. You can filter by currency, impact level, or event type to ensure you're only seeing the information relevant to your trades. Before wrapping up, remember that the economic calendar is not a crystal ball. While it can help you anticipate market movements, it's essential to complement it with other technical and fundamental analysis. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!